Here is how to open an Instagram account in 2026. So let's get started. First, you have to install Instagram on your phone. So you can do this from the Play Store or the App Store. So in the Play Store, just search for Instagram and then install Instagram. Once that's done, open the app and you'll see this page. So if you want to create a new account, just click on this button that's down, create new account. After that, they'll ask for your mobile number. So there's another option. If you don't want to sign in with your mobile number, you can sign up with email address. So I'll select the other option, sign up with email address. Here, I'll have to enter my email address and then click on next. Then they would have sent a code on the email address. So just enter that. As you can see, this is the code. So now I'll enter it. And then you'll have to create a password. Then just enter your date of birth and click on set. Click on next. Here, enter your full name. Click on next. And now you can select your username. So this has to be a unique username and you can put dots or underscores as well. And you can see this is unique. So I'll just click on next. Then click on I agree. If you want to add a profile picture, you can do that. I'll skip it for now. And as you can see, we've created our account. Just click on next. Here they're asking if you want to give access to contacts. And it's done. So over here you can see our name, that's Tech is Easy, and the username on top, which is techiseasy.1. So this is how to create an account. And if you want to know more Instagram tricks, check out this playlist. Goodbye.